How you going? I get a piece of flake, minimum of chips, chip potato cake, and a load of vinegar on all of it. Lots and lots of vinegar. That's it. Yep. What? Thank you. Thanks.
46.
Yeah.
51.
You want in the box?
Crunchy. Hot.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Need
Want a
thing
bit
to
more?
put on there. No, that's fine. Yeah, they're crunchy.
Yeah, the batter's too crunchy for me.
Nice catch.
Crunchy chips, not soggy.
And I don't know, can you taste any vinegar?
Oh, I could smell it. We're starting the video down here at sea level. Well, just there. All across there, sea level. It's the lowest point on the Mornington Peninsula.
You may or may not notice it's a bit of a sad sight behind me. They're ripped out the Dromana pier. Now, as a gardener, those stumps are looking shoddy. As an engineer, I can still tell, because I'm a gardener, that they're no good. Anyway, so that'll be finished at the end of 2026. If you watch this video after that, it should be finished and you'll see the new one, and that won't be there.
What about a selfie?
Selfie, yeah.
With the beautiful structure.
Gay thinks people could do parkour out there. I think gay's wrong, there's no walls.
What about the Karate Kid?
A Karate Kid could do his little
Yeah.
thingy. And then there's little wee yellow boys, bowies, or whatever you want to call them out there. And we reckon they're water witches' hats to keep people out of the safety zone. Well, Gay said that, and I think it's funny. All right.
Water hats.
Water hats, yeah, instead of witches' hats. Water witches' hats.
Yeah.
Is there a water witch? No, anyway, moving on.
It's not the same as the little fairy lights at the Ninda Gully pub. We've got the beautiful ocean in the background, the elevation.
Or their lack of, lowest.
At sea level. We're out on date night on a school night.
We are, we had fish and chips.
And flies, it seems.
And flies, plenty of them.
It's a bit like being in the outback.
It is. So we had a piece of flake, which we shared, potato cake each, and some chips. And I rate them all. It's one of the... Yeah. Why don't you like them, Gay? The chips are nice and crispy, just saying.
Never enough vinegar, and they were too crispy. I like them soggy. There's always a difference. And then it's like, do you get them in a box or do you have them wrapped up? There's always a variation of what you might get at different places.
Definitely.
It's where we got them from. It's been, I think it's one of the first times we've been there. Is it the first time?
First time I've been there.
I can't remember, but I think I've been there before. But
Ooh, who with?
Don't talk about that sort of thing on TV. So they did have boxes lined up there, and I don't think that fish and chips in a box is the same as fish and chips that are wrapped up in paper. Let me know if you agree.
Box.
Yeah. We'd like to thank you for joining us on our date night. School night, date night.
Date night on school night.
Because down here on the peninsula on weekends, it gets particularly busy.
Horrendously busy at times.
Yeah, it gets, and it's just no good. It's gotten to the stage where even if it's a nice weekend on during the winter, it does. Yes, please do go left.
I don't want to have a mapsident.
We're not really taking many turns, so
I'm not local.
we thought we would elevate the video by bringing you along.
Yep.
And taking you to the higher point.
I'm dressed by Tommy Bahamas, and I'm going to continue wearing this shirt until they sponsor me. But have a look at Gay's pretty shirt. Doesn't it look nice on her?
It's a big call, Mary G.
It's an Australian brand, isn't
I'm
it?
waiting till they sponsor me for pickleball. I like wearing their shorts playing pickleball. I think it suits.
Very true.
I think they're missing out on a big market over in America.
Yeah, you're not wrong.
Yes, indeedy. All right. So now we're going to go higher, higher.
Woohoo! Onwards
Higher.
and upwards.
Higher.
Bring me. Like
No
my
singing.
earrings? I'm not allowed to sing. Would you like to lick it?
No, everybody's with us.
Oh. My earrings, that was, everybody. I got ice cream earrings. And yet I didn't have an ice cream. Fish and chips, still good. Good to go. Oh, no,
I think fish and chips, I always like a creamy soda with fish and chips. I think it tastes nice.
Brown or red?
No preference,
No preference.
but maybe brown.
Perfect. We're off, everyone.
Oh,
It's quite sunny.
it is a bit sunny. It's terribly sunny.
You'll notice I'm driving again. Gay doesn't need her knees up around her neck when we're not in Bertha.
We've got Snowflake back.
Yes. She's looking minty.
We'll see you at the top. Directly behind me is a stump, well, you know, a part of a tree, used to be a tree, but behind that is Melbourne City. In between all that is sea level, and we're at Arthur's Seat, the highest part of the Mornington Peninsula at 314 metres.
Pick me. Ask me a question.
Yeah.
Oh, I'll answer it anyway. It's 1,030 feet.
Thanks for that report, Carol. Yes, so there's a city, there's a tree, there's some sea, some water. So obviously all around there, sea level, and here, 314 metres.
There's a monument. We like monuments. It's a date night, so Gay brought me to a monument. She knows I like monuments. This one is 1929 on when the opening of Arthur's Seat Road. Arthur's Seat Road, yeah, which is the road we came up. The windies, big windies. Pretty though.
What plant's this?
Poa. It's a native poa. It's nice and soft and fluffy. I like fluffy things. Anyway, moving on. We're up here at the Eagle. The Eagle's the gondola. Is that what it's called? We'll call it a gondola. They're open. So if you come on a stinking hot day, at least you got airflow, but they're not air conditioned. Be warned. And they get busy.
That's why we're out on date night, on a school night.
Yes.
Yeah. But I found a romantic seat for us to sit on.
little bit of controversy down on the... Controversy, yeah, that's the right word, on the Mornington Peninsula. They're putting a luge in under the Eagle.
Well, not quite. They want to apply.
They're applying to put a luge in, hence the sign. And I'm speaking quietly. I don't know why, because there's no one around. Anyway, they're putting a luge in, or they put a permit to put a luge in, and people don't want it. Anyway, moving on.
Thoughts on the hedging? Hedging thoughts?
Coria? This is a Coria, which is one of our natives. Coria alba, I think. They let it flower to be white. It's not. Anyway, minty moo hedging. Looks good. No real form or shape, but it looks really nice. I think they've done a good job.
Can't believe how many bugs are around. Oh look.
This here.
That kangaroo paw.
Kangaroo paw. And a Gazanthus. Anyway, no one cares about that. This is one of my favourite. Want to make sure everyone can see me too. Because they might go, that's gay talking, and it's not. This is one of my favourite trees. It's a grass tree, Xanthorrhea. And there's lots of bugs around. The flies are gone, so oh, go touch me on the boob. Hope no one saw it. Anyway, it's one of my favourites. Moving on.
There's something really magical about being at the highest point in elevation on the Mornington Peninsula for date night. It brings out something that's truly unique. Just an all-round, I don't know, wonderful experience. So being date night, where else would we go than the highest point in elevation on the Mornington Peninsula? I can't say that enough. Down there's the lowest point in elevation. So we're up here to watch the sunset. How magical is that?
It's beautiful, isn't it?
So it's a relatively it's windy because we're high in elevation. We're higher than the people down there. And it's been a very, very nice day. It's been one of the best days that we've had for quite some time. Hence coming up here to watch the sunset. So here we get to see the bay on the right hand side and the ocean on
the other side.
So we can see, hopefully the camera picks it up crystal clear again. We can see Rosebud Pier and we can see Rye Pier, and then if we keep going around we can see Blairgowrie Pier, and we can't quite see, I don't think you can see from here, we might need binoculars for our squinty little eyes.
And a really good zoom, which we don't have.
Yeah, to see Sorrento Pier. The ferries have stopped crossing at the moment. I think they stopped, the last one travels at 6 o'clock, so it gets in at 7 o'clock. It's very calm at the moment. And if you're up here, not at sunset, but if you're up here when it's sunny, maybe like midday.
Just earlier in the day.
It's midday, you would see sometimes where the tides are coming in and going out. So you can see the sandbanks and you can see the different colours in the water. Yeah. So right down below us, obviously we've got Rosebud. Further on we've got Rye, all the way down to the very, very tip, the pointy tip, which is hopefully the finger's pointing.
She said tip with a P. Just saying. Because then she was going to pointy bits.
Maybe we're distracting now from the sunset. There's a little bit of cloud cover down there.
Makes it nice.
That's Tasmania's way down there. That's Bass Strait. In between here and Bass Strait, and what is it in between?
Here and Bass Strait, here in Tasmania.
Is Tasmania.
And the roaring 40s.
Yeah, and at sea level, they're over there too. So.
What are the chances?
Yeah, so we can't quite see, and I thought we might have been able to see from up here, that we might be able to see. We're at Sea Winds, and we thought we might have been able to see the Peninsula Hot Springs. We've got the hot tub that you can see. Obviously you can see a 360-degree view almost of the peninsula from their highest point.
It's not as high as here.
So you can see the the hot tub there, but well, we can't see it from here. But it would be over there. That's where all the golf courses are, in that direction, sort of where the sun's setting.
Gaze the local.
And earlier, I organised a few boats to be out in the water, and they've all gone into dock now, I think. So I thought nothing but romance around here.
I think the Spirit of Tasmania went past not long ago. Would that be right?
It could be. There's one coming. Maybe it's coming.
Oh.
Yeah. But I don't know if we can hang around that long. So there's been quite a few roos here.
Hope they've got a map.
People have been looking at the roos. A map.
For Tasmania.
Oh, map.
If that's where they're heading. Yeah, they don't want a map accident, not a map for Tassie.
Straight south.
Ah, good. Straight, that's
almost. So the heads are over in that direction, along with Point Nepean National Park. What do you call it? It's not the gunnery, because that was at another place. It's the fortress. Maybe there's some stories.
Just leave it at Point Nepean.
Point Nepean Fortress.
Thanks for coming along on our date night.
On a school night?
On a school night on the Mornington Peninsula, with our sunset in the background and the lowest point down there. And we're at the highest point, 1,030 feet was over at Arthur's Seat. Anyway, just wanted to mention the feet thing again, show off a bit. But again, we appreciate everyone coming along. Hope you enjoyed it as much as we did. It's really nice for the two of us to have all of you come on date night with us.
Again.
Mm. You know how to elevate this video, don't you? Hypity-doo. Get on that hype button, like, subscribe, tell your friends, you know, all those sort of things. And thank you for watching.
Of course, comment. If
yeah,
you've got
we love the comments.
Any questions about how you prefer your chips, soggy or crispy?
I just shouldn't speak at times because my mind's gone. Anyway, there's lots of kangaroos up here.